A raid on the residence of Sadhvi Jayashree Giri, who heads a temple trust in North Gujarat, has resulted in the recovery of more than 1 crore rupees and gold biscuits. Investigators want to know where this undeclared wealth has come from.
A video gone viral, Sadhvi Jayashree Giri caught on camera at a music program in North Gujarat recently. Now in police custody for fraud, Giri heads a temple trust in North Gujarat.
એક વ્યાપારી છે ફરિયાદી એની ફરિયાદ નોંધવામાં આવી એમાં સસ્તામાં સોનું આપવાનું લાલચમાં એની સાથે છેતરપિંડી કરવામાં આવી અને એની સાથે 5 કરોડ 2 લાખ અને 20,000ની જે છેતરપિંડી કરવામાં આવી.
A raid at her residence also led to a recovery of 1.2 crore rupees in new notes, 24 gold biscuits and liquor bottles. The police has roped in IT authorities to find out the source of the cash recovered. With Rohit Bhan in Ahmedabad, Kinshu Dang, NDTV.